The way that I design my websites has completely changed. Before, I always used to work with Figma or Adobe XD to create a wireframe, to create a website design. I would then go to my clients and I would tell them what I created, and based on that I would build this website out in WordPress and in Elementor. Nowadays you can speed up this process by a lot. I found this external tool which is called Relium, and it's basically the same as the Elementor site planner. So what you are doing is you're talking towards a chatbot. You're telling it what you want in your website. It's going to create a sitemap for you. It's going to create a wireframe for you. It's even going to give you a style guide, and it's going to give you some styling ideas on how the template is going to look like. You can use this for free. If you change to the premium version, you can have multiple projects, multiple pages. For the free version, you can only use the home page, so we'll create just one page for you. But for this tutorial, this is more than enough. So I'm going to walk you through it. I'm going to show you how you can design your websites with AI really fast, free, and really simple. And you can cut out the middleman, and the middleman being the designer in this case, and you can speed up the work by at least half of the time. So let's get straight into it. I'm going to go to Relium and I'm going to show you how you can do this yourself. So here we are on the website of Relium. As you can see, it's just relium.io. You can also go ahead to the link to the description of this video and you can find out how to get here. This is the homepage. As you can see, there's a lot going on, but it already tells you, it gives you a prompt here. Describe a company in a sentence of 2. Before you want to get started, you want to create an account. You can use a free account. You can create a free account. You can also log in with your Google credentials if you like to. There is a single sign-on configured, and you can choose your pricing. There is a free option, which I just told in the beginning. So I recommend, if you're just trying this out, just go with the free version. What you want to do is right here in the prompt, you're going to describe a company. So I'm going to say, describe a company in a sentence or 2. I'm just going to say, let's just use my own. So Incotech is a web design and web development company that helps clients create a strong online presence. I want it to look modern and clean and minimalistic. So let's just go with this. All right, so we're going to generate this. Let's see what it comes up with. So generate, and as you can see, the project is loading. So what it's doing right now, based on your description, it's going to already provide a sitemap for you. Now the sitemap is completed. I didn't tell what exactly I wanted, but it already built something for me. So as you can see, we have a homepage with a hero section, features, stats, testimonial, portfolio. We can scroll down and then we have the about us, services, and portfolio and project. So let's try and add this. The number of pages, you can say 2 to 5. That's fine for me. Let's say what we have to offer. We offer web design, web development, and that's then going to be WordPress and Elementor. And SEO. Okay, language is English, number of pages 2 to 5 are going to generate this. Continue. It also said this will override everything. Are you sure? Yes, we are sure. So let it create a new sitemap for us. So it's creating it, as you can see. Let's wait a couple of moments for this to finish. There we go, it's finished. So we have our home page. We have an about us. We have a services page with everything we do. Based on the services, we have a service detail. And that service detail can include, indeed, here you see the features. That's the web design, web development, SEO. Based on the features or only services, it's going to probably dive into the service detail. Now, if we want to have more pages, we can do that by just simply selecting 5 to 10 and redesigning or recreating the sitemap. And as you can see, what it's doing already, you saw it there, it creates the homepage, but then it has multiple pages here. So it says about, services, portfolio, contact, nav, project, as you can see. And I like this sitemap way better. It's more structured. So this looks good for now. You can also click on specific sections and add new sections and remove sections, as you can see. We're not going to do that. I'm going to leave it as it is for now for the sake of this video. Now I'm going to click on wireframe and it's going to generate a wireframe for us. Now this is the free version, so we would only be seeing the homepage. But for a style guide, this is amazing. If you have a really strong homepage and you pitch it to your client, you can easily build out the contact, the about, the portfolio page, whatever. As you can see, if we log in, it already says upgrade to view pages. But if we go to the left, here we have our wireframe. So we have our home and we have a big section. It just says section. This is a hero header. It gives you a description about what it is. As you can see, you can also shuffle the component as the tip just showcased. So let's do it like this. I like this header more. Scroll down. Here it says what we can do for your business. Clean design that converts visitors into clients. Here are some statistics with a testimonial. And here we have our footer. Okay, cool. So what now? If you want to add some new sections, you can also do that by clicking on the plus section. And here you can do, there is a really long list of sections you could add. You can also just click on one, on the specific items, and you can edit everything that you want to edit. For now, I'm going to go ahead and go to style guide as I want to showcase this website's the colors that we're going to use. So let's go ahead with, you can see on the left side we have the global colors. So we have a night and a light theme. On the right, you can also adjust the colors yourself. But I actually already really like these colors. So what you can do is you can click on a color and you can also shuffle it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this orange and I'm going to shuffle it. Let's see what we get. We get some... I like the purple one. And then also this green one instead is fine. And we have a night and a day variant if you want to. Now you can also adjust your typography. So it's going to say Urbanist and Inter. You can click on them and you can just change your fonts automatically and it will already change the font of your site. And then you have UI styling, you have your buttons, which you can change. You can just click on a button and then you can see exactly how you want to have it. For example, let's put this one. I really like that. You see, if you hover over it, it will be inserted, which is really cool. I like that a lot. It is more playful in my opinion. And then you also have the cards and images. You can click on it and you can change them out a little bit. So for example, if you have a card, do we have it? We do not have a card on this specific example. A little bit here. You can see on the button it changes a little bit. But I'm going to just leave it as default. No, there we go. That's the style guide. Okay, so yeah, you can also adjust your brand here. You can pick out a logo and upload it so it wouldn't say logo, but it uses your actual logo. Okay, cool. So let's click on design and see what we get. Now this is already what we just previously seen. What we were just editing for the homepage. As you can see, it created an amazing homepage for us. The images are obviously stock images. You can always choose them and switch them out if you like to. This is just for your design's sake. So this is the homepage that it created. We have our hero section. We have the services. which just has a card, some statistics. We have a testimonial, and then call to action and our footer. And these could probably be client logos or logos of tools that you use, such as WordPress, Elementor. Now, that is exactly how we do this. If you want to export it, you can. On top, it says export format. You can do HTML, CSV, React, Workflow, Webflow, Figma. Unfortunately, there is no WordPress Elementor option for this. So what you would have to do is you would have to export it towards Figma. It would give you a Figma kit, and from Figma you can copy paste all of your things into Elementor. You can see exactly what width, what pixel width, what you need. I could do a video on that based on this template if you guys want to. Just let me know. But this is essentially the Relium AI Builder. I really like this. I've been using it for some time now to pitch with my clients, and it really speeds up the process of getting your clients' projects finished. So that was everything. If you guys want to see a follow-up video on this, please let me know in the comments down below. And thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.